Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be spending some time with the GR86. As you can see, we got a rear diffuser. Look at this, the Gretty Vortex diffuser, super dirty right now. And then up front we got the Sayber Design front lip. So the only piece of Aero that we're missing are the side skirts. The front lip, to be honest, the front lip by itself looks pretty good already, but we need something to tie it together. We got some Sayber Design side skirts to go on here today. Hopefully it will tie up all the Aero pieces that we got on the car. And the last piece of Aero we're missing is, it goes a little somewhere right here. The Sayber Design, front lip. Sayber Design side skirt in the FRP fiberglass material. Reason being is that I will be paint matching this to the same color as the car. So I didn't want to opt for the carbon fiber, just going for the fiberglass cheaper. And I'm gonna paint it anyways, right? So it don't even matter. I want to test fit this on the car first, make sure everything lines up, mark the spot, have it on the car, and then we'll go ahead and go paint it. Luckily for me, Sayber Design is only down the freeway for me, so I want to pick this up at their place. Shout out to them. Because if you try to buy from the website, god damn the shipping costs. So if y'all live in the Southern California area, I highly suggest you just go pick it up from their shop, bro. Unless you're a baller. Here we go, we got the driver's side right here. Let's see if I have anything to stand this up on. Boom. Hey, just a little quick mock-up held up by some light bulb boxes. Dang, look how far this thing extends out. And then look, it matches right up with the front lip. Dang, this thing is sick. Alright, so Sayber Design did throw in some fasteners. Look like self-tappers and a bunch of washers. We're probably going to go with this for now just to have it on the car for test fitting. After that, we drop it off at the shop to get painted. We'll come back and we'll throw some, some of these rib nuts on there. I have a bunch of these, but the one I'm looking for are M6, and it looks like we're out, so I'm gonna have to order some of that. We're just gonna mount it up using the self-tappers for now, and then once we get them painted along with the front lip, I decided to paint the front lip too.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I got like 4 self-tapping screws on there right now just to check out the fitment. And brother, look at this. There's like a 1/4 inch overlap right here. Look, we're right flush right there. That's the only fitment issue I see. Just a little 1/4 inch right here. But me personally, I'm not that picky about it. We'll see how it looks once it gets painted, because once it gets painted, that red in contrast with the black might make a huge difference. We'll see what happens then. If it does look a little funky, I'll go ahead and just shave that so that it's flush. Bro, I love how it really ties in with the front lip. Look at that. You see that? You see this and that? Perfectly matches up. Ties in so well. Holy. Let's come to the back. Let's come to the back. Not a big fan of this black and red look. Definitely need to drop it off at the paint. Probably do that tomorrow, and then we'll come back, throw it on, and show you guys, how we're gonna be really installing it. But yeah, check that out. Check that out. Last look before the Aero pieces go to paint. My God, this is so rice. Look who made it black. Look who made it back to the vlogs. Oh shit! Oh shit! Don't show my school. Oh shit!
One eternity later.
Alright, it was about a week later. Check out my side skirt. I got it back from paint. Took a whole week because it's been raining all week, bro. The other one is sitting up there on top of the squat rack. We are committed. I already threw a riv nut through the side skirt, so we're committed now. Went ahead and did 3 riv nut on this side, and then I'm gonna do self tappers in between. All right, bro. The car side skirt's on. Car's on the ground. Check it. Don't get too close though. Right here, fitment is terrible. You know why? Because when I lowered it, it got caught and it cracked. Oh, hell no. Not even a day old yet, bro. I am pissed off. But check it. Check it. Holy. Look how it flows with the front lip. That thing is sick. Holy, now we just need to do the other side. And then we should be ready for tomorrow's show. GR movement at Toyota Longo. Alright, check that out. Sheesh. Bro, I had no accident again on this side. Yo, check that out. You see that little... Oh my. Hey, the car's too low, bro. I'm just breaking everything before it even gets out the driveway. Bam, front lip. Flow straight into that side skirt. Holy. One thing we can't forget. Bro. We gotta put the badge on. Look at the fitment, though. Fitment, kind of meh. But, hey, it looks good, bro. This one with the better looking side skirts on the market right now. Right, so I got the badge right here. Sayber Design. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my super glue from past experience with the front lip. These things come double side tape, but make sure you add a little bit of super glue just so that thing is on there, cause I did lose my front badge once. Make sure you're not putting it on upside down. Bam. There we go. Now it looks official. Hey, what the fuck? It's off-centered. Alright, don't pull me. Yeah, heading off to GR movement today at Toyota Longo. Check out the car. Stayed up late yesterday just to finish this up. What do you guys think of that side skirt? Sheesh. End up wrapping the little part of this diffuser. What do you guys think? This thing looks sick.
Let's see if I can. Oh, it's already zoomed out. Rippy.
What's up?
How you feeling?
Cars are... I'm just kidding, Mom. Don't put that in.
Let me see. Oh my, I can't even record any of the cars. It's so bright. Whee. I can barely see.
Hey, what the fuck? Some kind of tag or label got stuck right here. God damn it, guys. I've got to bring the ND filter. Look at this shit. Now it's so bright here. There we go. Now, hold up. Gotta get it right there. Yeah, we munch on some donuts right now. We got the Supras lined up. We got the JDM Legends lined up over there.